What's going on, guys? Aldrin Estacio here with FlytPath.com. Now in this video I just want to do a quick test of the Mavic 2 Enterprise beacon. I was able to take it out for a quick spin. Just want to show you guys what I was able to get and what it looks like from about a mile away from the ground. So stay tuned. Alright, next up we're going to try the beacon. Now this is just a flashing light. Just want to see how bright it is at a distance away. As you can see right here, and all you have to do on the app is pretty straightforward. There's not really much settings with it, or there is no settings with it except for turning it on. So there it is. Let's take this thing up in the air and see how far you can actually see it. I'm not going to take it too far, but I do want to see at a pretty good distance how far away we can get.
Take off.
Now you should be able to still see it. I am taking it up higher. So distance wise, I'm at, 500 meters. Well, let's take it far enough just so you can actually still see it on camera. All right, so I had to bump up my ISO, but you can still see it. With my eye, I'm still okay at about 500. Let's go to 500 meters. And then actually when you move it, so if I move it back and forth, like if I'm coming back at me, then it's really, really bright, of course, because the beacon is now tilted towards me. But right now I'm at 500 meters away. I could probably push this thing out pretty far and still see it. This depends at the angle you're at, because right now I'm angled just a little bit. So I'm able to see it really easily right now. And I'm pushing it at, 700 meters away. And it's pretty easy to see. So at that angle, you can pretty much keep going. And let me see what it looks like on camera again. 1500, no issues, nice and bright.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
And I'm at 120 height, so I'm at 400 feet up. Beacon works fine. In sport mode right now, 19 satellites connected. It's nice and bright, I can see it way out there. Let's bring it back in. So there it is, guys, just a really quick test of the beacon on the Mavic 2 Enterprise. Make sure you guys check out my spotlight and as well as my speaker video. There's a lot more details, a lot more storyline in those videos. Make sure you guys check those out below. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you guys got value, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe. This is Aldrin Estacio with FlytPath.com. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.